20歲，從小到高雄態。好是20歲嘅我，會設定兩種立場，讓大家共下發光20歲嘅美。每擺都會有冇共專長嘅外國藝術家，批定我哋共下講，共下聊聊下嘅想法。北京母族打開耳光，聊到藝術家又會帶俾我哋乜嘅想到嘅事情呢？隨身帶定一台相機嘅學生啊，佢正好用乾鏡窗用細細嘅畫面來看太太嘅世界，見本人嘅學長之力，也會本佢快門按不停。
兩擺啊，在我旁邊嘅兩位細阿妹，佢係來自叫俄羅斯嘅血統，不過佢倆還有德國嘅 citizenship。So Oksana,
Hi, I'm Oksana Jad. I'm professional photographer.
因為我有看到佢嘅相片，就是 you're like very interested in the fogs, right?
Yes,
So this
that's my
place
favorite state of the nature.
is it? And this county, it has a lot of Hakka people.
Yes,
Let's
I'm
go
very interested in the culture. Yeah, and that's what I do as well. My name is Oksana Jad, and I'm already more than 10 years doing photography. I very like to do landscapes. I'm also interested very much in the culture. I make pictures. If I have an idea, then I combine people who I shot in the studio, and then I combine the photos.
每一晚，從本書嘅南定嘅西裝條，有人同我講，鴉片有一位老企家按照30種人嘅樣樣態思維固定出現，在佢空起來之前，夾了千幾哦。
Yeah, so now this is why I brought you here, because the teacher we're going to meet later, he used to work for this bureau.
Okay.
In the he was in the forest for like 40 years, but now he becomes a protector of the forest, and he takes photographies just like you do. This is him. Hi.
兩種相呢
Okay.
係識到很多武器，
Oh, sorry, this is-
官府嘅當輩，設計上，兩種書呢，很多鐵廠喺民國51年台灣將開始用電機，那個是土廠，就是那個林木全部倒下來
哦，把它集中嘅地方。
集中到一個位所，土廠表面卡車落嚟載，從那個高空索道、高空索道上到流落，這個是原木。
You see, there is also 那個木書條
從那個英國來
地
看，那是台車、琴片車、台車。台車載棉落，載到兩大不來咧，其實吊上去。
Oh, so this is like first step when they ship it, and then they put it up. So they would go through the like a river or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, 兩個就係 see all the woods.
Yeah. Oh, a lot of wood.
平常嘅你以前兩個時代應該冇聽到嘅相機嘛，錯嗎？那你相機是怎麼來的？
我個阿姊佢嫁出去，佢是跟我親家嗰位佢開相館，嗰兩時咧開相館嘅相館嘅人咧，全部都有準備為出租本人合用嘅相機。淘汰時就係能夠用，我只是幾點啊去攝相，是
你摸呀，那我就。
你倆還是可以用，你哪一種？
平常跟你兩個時間工作嘅時候，還有那個你嘅同事都是客家人嗎？
全部都係客家人，3年做些3年70歲，即可以說95%以上都係客家人。
I came to this place without very huge expectations. I'm on a new place and I would be happy to meet people, to see some places. I hope I will make more interesting pictures in the next days, and also I'm very, very looking forward to be in the mountains.
28年該年開始，林冠初兩大部是要求，所有現場作業、發木生產、 然后初林工作、采种、播种，全部要用相机来做记录。甲公家跟拿出来个相机，不一天用来得啦。刚才我用的是假个啦，我是个迄档案相机啊，镜头可以搞完啦，摄出来个品质又当真实，所以林干处了边全部具有迄个所有嘅生产线，就是伐木生产，还有育林工作，一切记录都由我一个人来拍。
先生，你位嘅书已经上了多少年？大概几年嘅书啊？
掠到安尼，今日看到按墙按国泰嘅书嘅民国40年中啊，民国40年开发掠个人气林，开发在掠个木材，开发了后将肥种掠个硫酸落去，看那边你掠看到掠硫酸林，
掠位就六嘅，
整入树。
那掠位就係。掠位看起来就係課業嘅係嘛？
掠整入，今日你看到，我睇，那個就是課業樹，課業。
So you see, he said like the natural wildlife one is the thicker one, the thicker leaves. Yeah. So you see, these are the original ones, and that's the human planted ones. Okay.
You see a lot of different greens here. It's not only one green color, and with this fog, you could see so many shades of gray and of green. I'm very interested in psychology. For me, the fog has a very special meaning. With the fog, you can create a lot of different situations of your soul. You can be sad about something. You can have special thoughts about something. And everything you can put in the fog. I have very special connections in my brain between fog and states of your mood, of your soul. I don't know why, but I feel so comfortable when I see fog. I feel so free. Yeah, that's my place.
又似位木馬
你嘅係真件要啲嘅用嘅係
都台灣林業伐木嘅時節啦，開發最年輕嘅，我來樹嘅木馬就下條啦。
看兩個就係它地龜嘅兩條，係嘛 ？So this is pretty heavy。
當時咧，都連來木馬嘅師傅全部客家人啦。
全部都係客家人。
全部客家人啦，但是呢，來木馬林業生產佢嘅工錢最貴，因為佢最危險，稍微不小心就會把它壓死。客家人有一句諺語，是講長山嘅老虎。
長山嘅老虎。
因為長山將有老虎啊。
唐山的老虎。
就會信任。台灣嘅木馬冇信任。那客家傳統，那大部分有耕種，其實有的就是利用農忙的空閒時間，就到山上來做伐木，來做色彩，來種樹嘅灌溉、水準的來源是播說的所在。那麼這些工作呢，婦女就可以擔當。
You could see how difficult was it to work on a place like this. On one hand, you work in a very romantic, beautiful place, but on another hand, you had to be very strong. You had to have a lot of power to be able to do that. I can imagine that people also had fun doing this, because now I met some Hakka people, and everybody of them has a very strong spirit. And I think also people who worked here, they were strong inside and outside. And it was very interesting to learn how it worked.
He said like this is not good because the woods should be like at least this long, until here or more, because there will be like one of the raining tool here. So like if you couldn't make it, stop it. He's tried to stop it, right? Like this. Sometimes
I understood. I thought one is making breaks.
Yeah, you have to use yourself as the brake.
Wow.
先頭退休嘅同事就講：強陽哥，你太班死人啦，到咗省裏嘛，轉上轉下，佢講你還唔可以聽嘛，你還得個做基本哦。我講係啊，有時間我自家小人想嘛，自我下一個注腳。兩句話：此音前生山中人，今生老林結人情。
看欣賞也炯炯有神嘅木生駐地，對佢來講，老自家奉獻本一片山林係幾幸福嘅事情。 再过来，我人要去拜访一位国家宝藏级的营养师，听佢用老相片来讲老故事哦。
Thank you.
我哋攞嚟看你嘅老東西咧。
其他種吼，係個竹洞吼，清楚啊，有只兩點啊，係啲個吼，是個大部分開水來食啦。
開水來食。
而家還蠻有水來水啊。
大概乜嘅時節嘅啊？
你睇是50年前哦，50年前哦，我本來是沒有工作，哪裡玩這裡玩，後來有工作，做賺了錢吼，一個頭就交俾媽媽，媽媽認為講我要變咯，要學好咧，所以買隻卡梅拉上來啊，嗰陣時話卡梅拉吼冇人好啊，翕個相吼，嗰陣時冇考究講畫素幾多，要翕要相就當唔會啊。所以吼，當時那上高嘅人吼，當少啊，佢家我有一台就兩下事情，一台兩台三台兩下事情，後擺裝作品嘅卡梅拉，所以講有卡梅拉人吼，當就咁當沙皮啊。
What about this one? I like this one very much.
Yeah, you see, everyone's taking photo.
呢個吼，
Paparazzi.
係個後擺主動吼，當到嘅好做得好，好高咧卡梅拉吼，做自己隻攝影小會。攝影的小豬啊，
小豬？
好幾個人，真係嚟組織一隻細嘅俱樂部啊。
club？ That's so Japanese.
每個人吼有法筒啊，有時咪是現在馬到嚟吼，大家翕。
Okay, I thought it's a big day if you get the camera.
You have to wear white.
Yeah, that's very funny one. This one looks very, very special.
呢個吼，特特裝頭要時間嘅白宮嚟拜啊。
白宮。For Hakka religion, there's this a god. We call it Bakgong, and this is when the Bakgong temple was like grand opening. So this was the first day, and see everyone was like worshiping.
Oh wow, that's interesting. But in which when was it?
兩個係乜嘅時節嘅？
差唔多30年。
兩個時節有彩色的底片冇啊？
家下蠻出咯。
If you have the black and white photo, the story is very important because with colors you can describe already a lot. But black and white, you have to be very precise about the story because that is very important. And also you have to work very well with the light.
嗰陣時我度冇感覺到乜嘅，只翕上高啊。乜嘅看到有也翕上醫院又做條，自家飼豬也拿去翕，望下苗長乜嘅任介紹也去翕，連飼也有，還有我自家木卡嘅蛇蚵啊，見睇見翕啊，蛇去翕到睇，乜嘅去翕啊。
還有兩個人看兩個人。
也好臨床嘅位吼，佢就有雞湯。山當站嘅樹吼，全部都喺大部分浸。按上次為鼻湯水為鹹，為看睇個多點就去做啊。
He is 90 years old. He was a little bit like a child. He was very proud of his photos. You could see that all the pictures were about the people. The life changed a lot in only very short time. He saw from the lowest level of the life to the very high level. Now we have everything.
Yeah, camera.
Oh my God!
If I feel like if my anh nghe căn con ngài hốt còn cái thùng hôn lời đào bị tôi khí xấu.
Yeah,
Cái một cái à?
That's an interesting
也
one.
就是看拼斗，
看片斗。
看位置，看什么？
Take a look here.
Okay, I take a look at you. 哈，有語言嘅效果誒。阿媽，你嘅看起來有語言嘅感覺誒。
I liked also this Rollei camera, this big one where you can move the lens. It was also very interesting and open it and close it and then carry it like a bag.
偵探
失敗。
Spy. Is it？大家從
It's a real one.
It's a real one。
Wow.
大家做得打開來嘛？
可以可以可以。
好，你打
Oh
開
my。god.
因為佢唔相信大家係真件嘅。
Wow. Wait, I have to make.
各位觀眾，this is film。阿爸，真的 film 呢？
那个蘇聯
蘇聯嘅。
蘇維
You must be.
嗯
I see this one. Do you understand this?
Lomo.
Lomo.
Yeah.
This is a Lomo film.
Oh wow.
Because he said this one is from the Soviet.
Yeah, yeah. Interesting.
And I see this one. 兩個。
ถ่ายรูปไม่ไปจังคาเมราไม่ชอบเทียนฮันยูเฮร้อยห่อมูอันฟองยูไปลองถึงเสียงยูไปทนโลชอบเทียนจังเขาบอกไม่อันตัวคาเมรา
He has a very interesting passion for the cameras. You could see it. He's very crazy about it. Every camera has very special style and special working process. And he opened it and showed us how to do it. Yeah, he's a crazy guy. He's a Hakka photographer.
我哋跳下來嘅時候，看到有一件白宮廟，係喺我哋呢啲位可以，因為佢也冇接觸我哋嘅白宮，好冇？好啊。
哦
出門在外，最重要嘅就係平安。看呢位女超人，因為到暗比來比去，就本愛定嘅白宮沒來保佑佢，唔知天拜拜呀，幾咁公用嘅喏。
等下我哋向下拜白宮哦。
誒，真拜天公，
兩個係冇用到。
誒，拜天公。
Okay, so this is the sky. We're worshiping to the sky.
Yeah.
Okay.
拜三次，
好. So we bow 3 times, and then you say your like what you want to say to the God.
But inside, or should I?
No, don't speak.
Inside.
Yes, inside. This is the Bakong, the God I told you, like
Bai San
Brahaka.
Su.
Oh.
This very little temple has a lot of charm. It's nothing special like a place where is a temple. It's a road, people are living their life. They go to the temple, it's all the time open, you can pray. I liked also that it was rainy because then you have very intimate situation in the temple with the fire, with the rain behind us. I felt very spiritual at this moment. I can keep this one.
Yeah. Oh, you want to keep this one, right?
Oh,
You want to keep this one?
yes. These pictures had very interesting graphics. I thought, wow, that's so pity that I can't take one and put it on the wall. They are very, very well made and interesting, and you could see also history behind it. I collect some of them. I will put them on the wall. But I like this combination, like I said, fire and rain behind us, and it was already dark, yeah. You felt a little bit like mystery behind it.
唔看，我哋知道千平凡嘅一種子，外國人看起來煞有黏黏嘅意思。唔是小學生啊，你下我就帶你來做金子。
So now we're in this forest again.
Yeah.
You remember that day we made the paper, offered it to the god?
Yes,
So this is where the materials come from.
Ah, really?
Abba!
係，
你好。
我哋逐個站下來嗬，逐個站下來，就睇下入去搭去吹吹嗬，按機油嘅差唔多抽4克嗬，呢位到呢位差唔多4克，我哋當吹吹，係。來推出到呢位來以後嗬，發現到呢啲一當到中南也當到飛嗬，就係做啲嘢只好為數，所以當初時是會想到講哦，我哋來做啲嗬，就係嗱咧發揮。 遐遐位嘅自然嘅造纸，啊你遐家家户户吼，穿老公下咧得方吼是有造纸，所以做出酿造出来以后，在那位说是不用按照资料哦。啊，我们先拜一下土地公。
Oh, okay,
好吧
yeah. But we should do the worshiping first. So you see, those are the offerings for the. You remember that day?
Yeah.
That time we saw the bakong, the god.
Yeah.
So this is like offerings to that bakong.
啊，你遐做出来纸吼，按照厨纸，啊厨纸是用途是下咧做啊你个运纸吼。大概日本时代设计皇民化以后吼，唔向因百姓嗰条吼，所以遐用纸用量就变下减掉。工业自动化以后，变唔让因啊你是咧事业挺特咧。差不多在民国50年左右，啊你咧做纸嘅事业啊你是变成完全是挺特起咧。这个下轮啊。 比较嫩，
怎么看？
啊
颜色比较
看它的颜色哈，哎，还有点粉粉的哈，啊粉粉的哈
粉色
对
就会嫩。
，OK。
哎 ！Bravo！
砍下来以后，
声音啊！
干嘛以后？它的
I didn't expect him to 啪！哦，好，我会站哦。
好，来，你到这边来，
好，
看着哈，现在要用这个刀子，平口的刀子哈，比较好砍哈。刚才讲的这边到这边刚好
哦
4指。
，4 inch like this 啊，got it。
好，来，你可能就。
我我试试看。按钮
啊，
哦，
扶着。
按钮哦。
哎
1, 2, 3，啊！
因为你的力量比较小。
好，OK，one more time，
好，来，我来砍。
好，你是，哎，哦，阿爸对，他
好，我带你
举手完事。
好，来。
Oh my god！Your turn. I hold the camera. Ooh la la. Okay.
That's how we do that. That was almost good. That's how they do that in Japan.
Ooh, oh my!
Very good.
Hey, yeah! Good job!阿爸，你讲大概下一步会嘛该啊？
现在要把这个竹子破开哈，
嘿，
像这个破小的竹子的话，我们就把它破2半。
你嘛该，
哎，因为不要好困呐。
你嘛该两个菜两味啊
哦，
两个要用嘅啊。
这个俩吼，那就是按嘟好吼，按枪来去食，那嘟木起来，听人讲话嘟好差不多3-4斤。
多两味嘅时间。
嘿，刚好1捆。然后从绳子那个竹篾从这边哈向下这样绑，就很容易绑。竹皮啊，竹枪啊。
用竹子来绑。
哎，对，用竹子，这个而且竹子开上伊也做得穷下做做具的材料啊，穷下做。
I thought all people who are close to the nature, they try to save everything from the nature, and they try to take everything they can. Yeah, for example, if they eat the animals, then they also use their fur. Also here, they don't waste one piece of the bamboo, and it looked also very aesthetic when they showed us how they band it together.
那个这来，哦 ，OK， 绕回来。 再下去，
Oh, you will carry two?
Yes,
Oh my God!
it's women power.
好了，OK，
这样哈。
一起，
哎呀！哎，
好了，
乌啦啦
Oh yeah!
，OK，好，哎呦。
可以吗？
Very close. Yes. Oh. Oh. 你可不可以回来？阿爸，你回来。OK. Wait. 我觉得我可以。好。
好，你可以好 ，OK， 好，放掉了。好，站好站直。
I want to make a photo. I want to make a picture.
Oh my God.
Don't.
OK，还是我来好了啦。
哎呀，
啊，
那真嘅。
客家人青出名嘅打拼精神， 当我身后啊，正经完全看现现，开都开不起来，就汗流满了。Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up, don't give up。
站好咧，它哩是打山洞，落去再加那腐汤，腐汤咧去落去卤粥，完了卤粥哈，卤差不多有3个礼拜左右哈，是开始落去洗粥个，这面卤的粥个哈，然后卤好咧哈，然后落去洗好，洗好像喺啲睇是在为捱嘅哈，
你嘛
捱粥
该会洗那个粥啊
你可以落去烧火，嗰度洗嘅。
？Now they're washing the lime away。泡多久了啊？
这个哈，这个已经泡了泡了4、5个月了哈。
起来啊，
嘿，
还要放回去。
几多摆啊
对，大概3、4次。
？So，调下眼等看到嘅做嘅
哎那个现在是软掉了，看到没有？这边
所
软掉了。
以等一下切的时候，
对。
There's one story of the money, paper money we're making right now. It's like one of the inventor, Cai Lun, Mr. Cai. So he first invented the paper, but it wasn't looking so nice. So people thought, not so good, I'm not buying. So he asked his wife to pretend like she's dead. And then after they fired the money, she came back. So people thought, this is gonna work.
Magic, we buy it, we buy it.
Yes.
It's a very funny story. And I think he was a good businessman.
那粥嘛哈，煎好些，洗好些哈，就拿来回来哈，来剁了粥嘛哈，你剁粥嘛 ，OK。哦，等下，哈，那粥嘛哈，差不多到上寸了，
一寸半左右，
哎呦，
1寸半左右。
哈。
安永会等一下，
等一下就拿到那边去碾。
好，
我放到这边来哈。现在有
你一个提是布满吗？
铺上去，嘿，铺上去。但今天量比较少啦。
哦，
哎，
那天就会试一下，试看。
Oh my god, it looks very, very, very difficult.
阿爸，而且
嘿，
raise horse，那个看起来有一个角度是斜斜的。
对，因为这个好脏嘛。哎呀，我要滴滴站啊，我给我要切哈。
转的时候才有那个力。
才会转弯。你平的话，它不能转弯。
你有当牛的天分。
什么？这样哈。好 ，I'm going。See how come people had to work? Oh my. Sharon, you can do it. 你看这些熊，我这边要粘到什么时候才粘到？
这个牛比较懒惰，这只沙轮差不多有200-300公斤哦，规只太只骨大啊，拿来大的沙轮安尼啦。泰国呢是完全用牛来，牛呢是用个肥牛来，肥牛去下杂，一顿吼是下杂，你日下台吼用来了哎。
来看一下，来调它的成绩。其实
大概要比这个还碎哦。
You do want to see？
这个还是刚开始的哈。
立马该我没有抹的你的更
对，
碎。
因为你没有当牛的天分。
你调它讲啊，有当牛的天分，然后。
空转可以啊。
哦，好啦，俺会再努力一下。
最起码要像这样子哈。
最起码这是 OK，at least it has to be like this。你等一下又要做成什么啊？
还要看这个还不够细。
还不够。
还不够细，要再弄细一点哈。
哦。
做牛真经挺辛苦啦，来的几天呢，俺做腰强背掉，做子真经费工又费时，鼓手唱太干，好大声。
大家6G 哈，大家听下6G 哈。
6G。
6G，那个 G 装之后哈，G 那个样哈。跳人。
David， 你嘛该会6G啊？
这个但是刚才哈跳人那 G 哈，那就从那安变成纸浆嘞，变成纸浆。
安永就放到
这个纸浆
了。
哇哦！
好，I'm joining him。有踩这个有技巧吗？应该没有吧？
没有技巧。
It's just fun。
6G 的些哈，上戏为6条盆，6条盆的些哈，可能是 會下上檔吼，啊你按艱苦開展的字，做個好父母按了通盤，因為你破開一種，困開一種，所以啊你了字的師傅吼，通親係老師傅吼，個就加10年的經驗能做得嘅。啊你了個字吼，差唔多是安尼，吼，那正在彈條字吼。
Do you want to feel it?
Yes.
我这样就把它弄。
啊，没有關係，沒有關係，我看他
這個是
等下他在做過。
Oh my god.
Yeah, I thought the same.
This paper with a gold stamp, right? Yeah.
不过两个做起来就会比较厚哎，
这粗纸本来就是这样，
所以没有关系
没有，
厚度就是
厚度没关，厚度只是说我们成本比较高一点而已。
哦，也是。
哎，用这个来给你做一下体验哈。好，这个是用绢布做的，哈，比较小张，你可以体验一下抄纸哈。
Danga, sim, saladim. It's magic.
Yeah, it must be.
OK，
Now out.
Out. 哎呀
就行了。你看那边
，What？做唔得了。
太厚了，这边。
It's too thick. Oh, and it's not even. You see.
Okay.
One more time. It doesn't work. Last time.
No.
要怎么样？我用几张做的平均啊？
可以的，现在就差不多了。
Yeah, it's very meditative. You can have your meditation during this work. I think it's also very Asian kind for me of making the paper. It takes time. You have to be relaxed. You can't hurry. It doesn't work.
你看棒平大哥怎么做，你就跟着做哈。
哦，OK. Step by step 啊。
Yeah.
啊 ，flip。啊。
翻过来，意思我们现在要把水分稍微挤干。
好。OK。
用压，不要推。
好 ，OK。Don't do it like this, but just press it.
Just press.
不要这样推哈，这样推的话，它纸巾会抖掉。OK。
哎，好。
好。可以了。
I like to work with paper. Long time ago, I also made a lot of drawings on the paper, and I like work with the paper a lot. But I never saw the process, how a piece of paper will make. This time was my first time to see how paper become paper. And it's very hard work, and it's very long process. Now I think I don't waste paper anymore.
阿爸，
哎，那你看辛苦了，来，谢下餐。啊，
呢種係衣啊。
安子生。
哦，呢種係。
俩下俩个係我親愛嘅一種字誒，like this is my favorite paper from now. We have to frame this one.
南非啊，不下俾人嚟做紀念。
我一天會攞去做，like I'll frame this one and then you know.
Oh yeah.
They stand out from all the bunch of papers.
Yeah, I felt like at home. They served us a lot of food, and they served us a lot of tea and different kind of dessert. And it was so nice, and everybody laughed, and everybody tried to speak with you and tried to connect with you. In former Soviet Union, Georgia, they are very hospitable. So if you come to their home, they will give you also their bed. In Russia, it was also so, if you have a guest, you give everything the guest, everything he wants. That's why I said I feel like at home, because people try to give you everything, they try to make you happy. I saw now already many Hakka people. Now I understand that's one of characteristics of Hakka people.
Yeah, 有點心的想法，還有一種傳統的娛樂節目，唔知我哋嘅講乜解好，聽聽我哋去看一下吧。
彩排结束了吗？
结束。通常啊，因迄讲要做客家太戏的时间，尤其迄种庙前，一天要大把钱，平常是像做庙会的时间，太一家我来拜拜，古时候办仙本神明，像爱着俩根本迄俩算迄小文化场，古时候爱迄爱老神明。拜托讲，俺要教人家创啲表演客家太戏。
先老几地度，俺就
对，然后你讲一下，俺教人家创啲，本来就太一家表演平安顺遂。
Every time when I'm in front of a temple, I see this instead of that one. But this time we get to experience that one.
Yeah,
And you get to take your photos.
Yes.
Let's take a look. 那俺哋就去跳杯哦。
哦，刚才吞掉去。你莫去嫌莫政策哦。
快来！哎，那你可以示范。
他们现在在忙，这边在玩手机的在忙。
哦，they're busy. Maybe you can. 你要不要 Q 他哦？爱的，你是演哪个角色啊？
我做阿丹的呢。
丹内哦。
In Europe, we have dragon queens. Male put makeup, women clothing, and then they perform. When we entered the backstage, he was playing some game, and then he transported to a beautiful woman. Yeah, but first I listened to his voice.
创起做太子家有通过平板，客家戏有平板啊、三国志啊，还有个落散步啊，太部分太家要创这个抓着，还有
平板的。
然后俺就演客家三太条。
三太条。
乡中金马座啊，出门了呀。
He has a very soft, very nice voice, and it's not matter in reality if you understand it or not. You hear these very feminine vibes, and you can feel what he feels. Or actually, he plays a woman.
做爱第一时间，客家太戏最早以前迄三脚菜场，因为迎合观众的需求。古所长要将三脚菜茶一直延伸到了下个客家太戏，因三脚菜茶位来的，就因个菜茶戏，头摆给人摘茶的时间，男女对唱，这样。
梦归呀归呀。
你看过？你看过？你唱歌的时间，然后你调他功发的时间是两个王琼用给你的。
王琼，因为细汉囡仔要做阿丹人，去送伊要结一下，送位好看。若无结就厝要送伊，就想去小成强。
Right.
That's very, very beautiful voice.
Thank you.
Beautiful. Okay.
Thank you.
Where did they learn to make such a nice makeup?
你从那底度你们的那个化妆是从哪里学来的？
迄以前讲看人网，因就强用法，了还是因为有人教啦。有人教啊。
那我可以试试看吗？可以吗？你可以帮我画吗？
唔要啦，唔帮做。
You either go big or go home。平常要化妝嘅我，禮拜玩太大了啦，希望大家做好心理準備哦。In 5, 4, 3, 2。
當朝鐵書蓋，三弦斜下降，福祿數弦來。
Every makeup style was different. You could see who is very kind, who is very male. The woman who played the role of rich man's wife, she performed very well. She had a lot of mimic in her face and her eyebrows worked a lot. I felt big energy coming out of her. So I came very close to her because I wanted to photograph her face. And also the movements were very, very interesting. brother, he had very special manner to put his foot. So high. He was also very elegant. If I would be a man who could be in love with a man, I would fall immediately in love with him because he looked very feminine on one side, but he was a male, very sexy. There was a man, he was working with the background. He did nothing else, only changed the backgrounds. And he was so quick. He was like the worm has to become the butterfly. He just rolled inside and then rolled outside. I laughed a lot about this. If you go to the theater, you just watch a show. But this time I was a part of the show because I could connect to the people, I could speak with them, I could learn something. It was a very special experience.
今晡日來到苗栗兩個西沙區，你還記得嗎？昨晡日我哋看客家台戲，今晡日我要帶你來看哪個一種？聽講啊，表演嘅人家家起來要幾下千歲呢。
阿英，
嗨
，Hello，你啲嘅做乜嘅？
酸甜水，
你睇唔嘅甜水哦？
嘿，啲用嘅人講當絲啊，攞去燒出嚟咩？以前嘅人係用安尼用盆嘅安尼，這樣子。
係啊，以前嘅人動辛苦，還能按要一天到晚要酸背痛。
一次可以插5支。
For this area, they do it like 2 times in a year, and in August there will be another transplant. So 2 harvests in 1 year. 阿姨，其實我來了位啊，我係有聽講，就是那個布馬村，布馬村係當有名嘅。
我就係我一家生嘅布馬村，我就有參加。
Oh, you know, like because we come here for the. I told you yesterday, like we're gonna join a parade.
Yes.
On the ground. She's one of the members. 那我哋就去哦。
好，嚟。等你看有名嘅布馬村。
哦。大家安坐。你就已經準備好嘅哦。
布馬村。
你哋叫布馬村 ，This is the thing I told you yesterday about。我們總幹事，嗨，總幹事你好。
嗨，阿姨姐，嗨，你好，你好。介紹。这个动作就代表要怎么样？要起航。接下来呢，哈，就是
锣鼓队。
这就我们的鼓队。做嘛，我哋千歲布馬鎮呢，因為要就阿公阿婆啊，加起來啊，都差唔多1000個人歲。要有窗眼，有將軍，那個將軍哈，那邊哈。
窗眼。
係窗眼，拿嗰邊哈。
將軍喺哪一間面啊？
一隻兩邊。兩邊。一隻係文將軍，文的，一係武嘅，武的就是拿寶劍，係，要窗眼。布馬鎮哈，做嘛我開始傾起啦，就今日就嘅條婆婆媽媽就講，喺狀況歡迎家哈，除了到田康做些以外呢，也希望大家來做一個嘅係有意義嘅活動，哈，就來虔誠一粒布馬鎮。布馬鎮傾起來是要當多年啲，哈，主要婆婆媽媽喺度來，其實講
20條做田色，安不條呢可以共下來做條嘅布馬陣嘅遊戲，大家來聚集在一起哈，當然共下療養誒，所以就按牽起來誒。又係做埋到阿公阿婆。
那個係你確定那個係阿公嗎？I thought you said Western cowboy。
有像嗎？
有啊，
那你帥嗎？
來跳下老豆，你講阿公係，就是你那種阿公。It's not a grandpa, it's like handsome grandpa.
My favorite one was a woman with very strange object and something like shell.
蚌殼即係蝦咧，海蝦咧。
蚌殼。This is like a sea creature, you know. It has like clam or something.
She had very small feet and very pretty shoes, like Cinderella.
算咧，算。
那故事也，哎呦，還有人那個就是過。
划船的。
係划船的。
You want to take a look at her? Hi. This is a very traditional way of like they carry things to the market to sell or something.
有角色哈，作為賣花那個賣花的女，賣花女，賣花的。
阿公，那個係你個老貝嫂啊？
對，有老貝嫂。
Ask him how he can carry.
Is she very heavy?
Oh my God!
你轉半太架看一下。阿爸嘅屁股。
跳的。
里面是我的褲子。
啊！
你要表演？
我表演啦。
你表演。
哎呀，來去哦！
哎呦！青散飯哎。I said like we have this saying when we say you're 散飯。哦。
Yeah。
阿嘅老貝嫂呢，就是阿公跟阿婆講，哎，佢看到嘢當成氣了哦，後尾就停停來看，嘅老貝嫂看，嘅裝演係樣嘅情況，係。
The woman who played this character, she enjoyed it a lot. She enjoyed it. And this doll, he looked so suffering. I felt really pity for him. When I travel, I see old people very often. Sometimes they look not very happy. But today I saw very different picture. I saw so many happy old people. They had so much fun with them, what they did. They probably feel like children. I could imagine that it's a lot of fun.
當長號一起響，一響一響間號，代表我哋整條惡行誒。
走了。
後邊呢，就係往就嘅馬桶啊，騎馬啊，嗰個就倉演。倉演順康呢有兩山文武將軍，嗰一隻騎兩山呢，啊就留嘅莊嚴大梁咧，嚇。嗰後邊呢就係有嘅公卑婆。嗰有嘅漢船，嗰個太漢呢，嚇。各位就一些我們的一些的蚌殼的哈，就係停的一個遊街，這就是我的隊伍的隊形，嘿。
Oh no, it fell. Oh my God. I felt like in Rio de Janeiro. I told Sharon, hey, that's pity we don't have the costumes. Yeah, I felt very happy.
So this is the end of your journey.
I hope that the beginning of my photo story.
We saw so many photographers, your colleagues, and also this rice field, and made the paper, and also see these very vibrant people.
And everything was great.
It was beautiful.
Landscape.
With you as well, very beautiful this journey.
Oh, thank you for everything.
Thank you too. Well, we say goodbye, but then we all say our prayer first, and then I hope you can have a safe flight.
Yes. First of all, I feel very happy. It was a special journey. I saw many interesting things I never saw before. I met so many great people. I discovered so many interesting things.